Hello again. If you're dreaming of a white Christmas, for most of us, that is not going to be the case. Today, what we've got is a fair bit of cloud around with some rain coming in from the west. Now, the wind behind that will tend to pick up. And the other thing that's quite salient about it is the wind direction is coming from the south. So behind this weather front, we'll start to import some milder conditions. Ahead of it, we're still in the cold air. Something to bear in mind if you're doing some last minute Christmas shopping. So we still will have some dry weather ahead of this rain pushing northwards and eastwards, the heaviest of which later in the day will be across parts of Northern Ireland, also parts of Northern England and Scotland. To the south of that, staying largely dry, but the cloud continuing to build, and our temperatures between 2 and about 9 or 10 degrees. Now, through this evening and overnight, the rain pushes north. We could see snow for a time in northern Scotland, especially in the hills, and there is the risk of some ice as well. If the cloud remains broken long enough across parts of northeast England and parts of eastern Scotland, we might see a touch of frost, but not so in the west. Look at those temperatures, 11 and 12 degrees. Now, through tomorrow, we've got rain coming in from the west courtesy of this weather front. It is also pushing northwards and eastwards, but the lightest rain will be in the south. The heaviest rain will be across Northern Ireland, Northern England, southern and also southwestern parts of Scotland. As it clears away, there will be a legacy of cloud with 1 or 2 showers and late brightness for Wales and the southwest and possibly Northern Ireland, but very mild for the time of year across England, Wales and Northern Ireland. We start off on a murky note on Friday, a lot of low cloud, some mist and some fog. Bear that in mind if you're travelling. Then this weather front comes in during Christmas Eve, bringing in some rain with it, but still the mild conditions as well, whereas still rather cool out towards the east. And as for Christmas Day, we still have this battleground between mild and cold air, and this will determine where and if we see any sleet and some snow. Now, the mild air could push farther north and the cold air could push farther south, and that will have a bearing. So what we think at the moment is on Saturday, we've got the rain coming in across southern areas, fair bit of cloud ahead of it, drier across Scotland. If we're likely to see any snow on Christmas Day, it's likely to be on higher ground with the potential for sleet at lower levels in Northern Ireland, North Wales, parts of Northern England and possibly the North West Midlands.